Hello iPhone users, so let's explore the feature of shared album. So for that you have to open your photos, the gallery, and you slide it down, you see option of shared albums, right? So I have two shared albums created by me and the other person, right? I hold one of that and I see option of add photos and then shared album details, so I can edit it, right? Because I have created it. If I have not created it, I cannot do it. So I can control if subscriber can post it or not, so the other person that whom I have shared can post something in the album or not. I can see control whether this can be visible to public or not, so it can be a public website as well in your iCloud. Last is of showing notification of someone who has commented like or album or something. Now we can also rename the album. You can tap on rename when you hold it, and that's how we do it. So this is the other album which someone else has created. Now this is the things that I am in control of, notifications, and also I can see who all have this album, so the name of the owner and the other people, and I can delete it, right? The main difference is of control, what you can control. Like the owner can control most of the things, but if you have subscribed to some album, someone has shared it to you, you can unsubscribe it, and to yours you can delete it, and more features. See you next video. Ta-da.